What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Liam Trends, your home for technical analysis on the Bitcoin chart. For about 4 weeks now, the Bitcoin chart has been consolidating below this resistance box of the level of $28,800. Can we expect a break above this level in the coming weeks, or will face a rejection to the downside? It's also important to know that this resistance box in which we are currently testing was actually the neckline of the previous bull run. Will a break above this level signify that we are back in an uptrend? Sit back and relax as we delve into the charts. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Williams, and I analyze the chart for trading setups and how best you can take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. So if that's what you're here for, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin charts. Before we dive into the content, smash the like button. Let's get this video to about 100 likes. That's why this video boosts the YouTube algorithm and gets more viewers. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame, we can see, like we analyzed earlier, the Bitcoin chart has actually been consolidating below this resistance box for about 4 weeks in a row. Remember, the more times you test the resistance level, the more likely you are to break it. The Bitcoin chart, we've had a run up from the level of $16,000 up to the level of $28,000, and we've been consolidating at this level. It's very important to know that this level, this resistance box, was actually the neckline of the previous bull run. You see that we had some consolidation from here. Then from here, we had a bounce from here and went to hit the next all-time high, which was as high as the level of $68,000. So we see that this, so we see we are currently testing a very important resistance level, of which if we're having a clear break above this level, could actually be at the beginning of a run-up to test the previous all-time high. Let's dive into the lower time frame. The Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see we've been consolidating between our resistance box, which is at the level of $28,900, having a few touches at this level, and we've seen a bounce from the level of 26,648. We'll see that many times when we come as low as this level, the Bitcoin chart gives us a bounce from here and will come and face a rejection at this resistance level. What we are particularly interested in is a chart pattern that is currently unfolding on the 4-hourly time frame. We see that we had a run up before we started having this consolidation at this level. And so if we are having a break above this resistance level, a bull flag chart pattern could actually be unfolding. And this is how we actually trade a bull flag pattern. We take it from the lows to the highs with our trend line. Then when we are having a break above this level, then our trend line could actually take us, the chart pattern that could take us as high. Using our trend line, this chart pattern, if we're having a break of structure, this chart pattern could actually take us as high as a level of $35,000. Remember our inverse head and shoulder chart pattern that we analyzed on the daily time frame, of which the Bitcoin chart didn't come back to the level of $25,200 to give us a retest. Remember, the target is a level of $34,000. On the 4-hourly time frame, we are seeing that this pattern could actually take us as high as $35,000. Don't forget our daily chart pattern, inverse head and shoulder chart pattern is still unfolding. So we can get as high as the level of $34,000. All depends on what happens at this level. If we are seeing a clear break above the level of 29,925, let's say approximately the level of $30,000, between the level of $28,900 and $30,000. So if the Bitcoin chart is giving us a break of structure from this level on the 4-hourly time frame, then we can entertain a move to the upside. But we'll wait until we see a break of structure before we have a trade. On the lower time frame, we can see that something else is actually unfolding. We see that on the 1-hourly time frame, the Bitcoin chart has been giving us a trading setup. Diving lower, we see on the 1-hourly time frame, we see over the weekend, the Bitcoin chart has been giving us choppy actions, actually creating a resistance level and a support level. As we have this choppy action, you can see this level, which is the level of $28,200 as a resistance level, and this other level as our resistance, as our support level. We can see that a few hours ago, the Bitcoin chart gave us an impulsive move, breaking above this our resistance level on the 1-hourly time frame, and we're actually coming back to test this level. We can see that the Bitcoin chart was actually giving us a consolidation between the level of 28,944 and the level of 26,648. But right now, on this our smaller chart pattern that we are currently seeing, we've actually had a small break of structure. We see an impulsive 1-hourly candle to the upside. We came back to test this level as support, and we may actually see a bounce from here. And at first, the target is the level of $28,914. If we zoom further on this trading setup we are seeing on the 1-hourly time frame, the Bitcoin chart on the 1 hour time frame, we take our Fibonacci tool from the swing low, which is the level of 28,116, to the swing high of this move, which is the level of 24,444. We can see that we saw consolidations at our Fibonacci retracement level. We zoom into the 15 minutes time frame to see what is actually happening. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 15 minutes time frame, we can see we came as low as our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. In this case, it's the level of 28,279 and the level of 28,241. We see the consolidation we're actually expecting. Remember, a consolidation at our Fibonacci retracement level is not enough reason for us to sell or buy the market, buy the move to either to the upside or to the downside. Rather, I want to see a break of structure. If we take our trend line from the beginning of this retracement, we can see that we've actually had a break of structure on this 15 minutes time frame. The Bitcoin chart came as low at our Fibonacci retracement level, and we had a break above our resistance level in this case, which was the previous high. After giving us the consolidation, we came as high as the level of 28,324. We had a move to this level, the level of 28,324. And so if the Bitcoin chart continues to give us an upward move from here, we can actually expect a trade, entertain a trade to the upside using the small trading setup we see here, because we are having a break of structure above this smaller time frame support and resistance level. You can see we came to the support level, had a bounce from here. We also had a break of structure as we saw this impulsive candle on the 15 minutes time frame, breaking above this our previous high, because the market was giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, a lower low, and now we are having a higher high, a high above the previous high, which was the level of 28,322. We saw the high, the market giving us a higher high. We are currently seeing a new higher low, and we can see that gradually the market is giving us a new trend to the upside. But we've seen once we saw a break above the previous high, we can then entertain a trade to the upside. The target of this trading setup we just analyzed is the level of 28,834. We also want to know that this is very synonymous to our resistance level, which is at the level of 28,910. So this trading setup could actually take us back to the resistance level, and who knows, we will actually be having a break of structure from this level, or to the upside, or we face a rejection back to the downside. Remember, the support level was the level of 26,662. So if we are seeing a rejection from this level, we can expect the move down. But this trading setup, we can actually take it up to the highs of the level of 28,834. We also want to note that nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setups as they take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. We also want to be careful of the market giving us a swing failure chart pattern. If you go down to the 4-hourly time frame, this is what I mean. Let's screen the chart so it's not looking messy. We're done with this trading setup. So many lines. So on the 4-hourly time frame, there are only two levels that are very important to us, which is our resistance box, which starts at the level of $29,000, and our support level, which is level of 26,648. As we approach our resistance level, we want to see a clear break above this our resistance box. The market could actually give us a swing failure chart pattern where we see a break above this level, just to the level of $30,000. Then we see a consolidation, and then finally we see the market gives us a drop back to this our level. So as we approach this level, we want to wait for the market to give us a clear break above this level. So if we are in a trade from here and we see the market giving us the move to the upside, we need to be very careful putting our stop loss in a risk-free trade, because the market will actually give us a swing failure chart pattern where we just go a little bit above the level of $30,000, and then we have a drop back to our support level. We want the market to give us a clear break of structure, let's say to the level of $32,000, for us to be confident in this breakout above this resistance. Don't forget, for experienced traders, you can actually place a trade on BYBIT and claim up to $30,000 on your first deposit and trade. BYBIT offers amazing discounts on your trade, so you can actually hold swing positions on BYBIT and spend minimal fees. BYBIT is my favorite crypto trading platform as I enjoy minimal trading fees on it. It's also one way you support the channel as you get a kickback as commission on your trading fees. Thank you very much for sticking with me through this video. This is what I see on the Bitcoin chart. See you in the next one. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notification, and smash the like button. See you in the next one. Bye bye.